So let's take a easy start. Just go to toolbox, search and type button. Take a button, put here. We use it to show a message, the hello world. Okay, so right click this button, properties, and name this button show hello world, and the text of this button show hello world message. Okay, so what we want when we click this button, we should get a message of hello world. So let's start. What we have? Nothing. So we have to generate event of this button. So click the button, properties, and you see events. So there are a lot of events we can use for this button. So we gonna use click event. So when user click the button should show a message. So we using click event by double click here. So easy, message box dot show string hello world. Okay, so we right click and go to designer, and we can go to code by this method. Anyway, let's start it. Okay, so hello world message appears. So in next lesson we will learn another things. I think it is enough for this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.